Howdy folks, I'm Jeff Buckley, owner and master technician at My Father's Shop Certified Auto Repair, with today's tech tip from P10 Magazine and VehicleServicePros.com. And now I go to a lot of meetings and conventions and expos, and the folks always see me and they say, "Hey Jeff, we want to know what kind of camera it is that you use. How expensive is it to get in to start doing some videos and stuff so that we can share it with our customers?" And they all get amazed when I just pull out my phone and I said, "This is what I use for the majority of the videos." And they say, no, that ain't right. And yes, it actually is. I'll just pull out my smartphone and then turn the camera on, and this is what I'll use. Now I do have a few other things that we've gotten. You can get all of these things off of Amazon. This is a little holder, and the phone will just fit up in here, and you just tighten it down so it'll hold it. And then of course I've got the Rode mic, and we just there's an adapter that you have to plug into the iPhones, and we just plug it in, and now I can hold this, or Candace can hold it for me. And we have a monopod, and this will just screw on here, and so it just stabilizes when we're taking pictures. Now if I have something where I'm working on it, and I want to set this up beside the vehicle and just take a couple pictures, then I'll break out the tripod. And like I said, all of this is just easy stuff that you can order on Amazon. This particular holder is from Kamika, and there's all different ones, but all it does is it'll hold the camera in place there. So it's real easy to be able to do videos and take pictures for your customers and post them on your Facebook or your website. Well, that's today's tech tip. As always, I appreciate you watching.